Hi guys. So yesterday for grammar, I introduced something to you called Shades of Meaning. And I had a really great little YouTube video that I put up for you guys. And I really liked that one because I like how that teacher used another person to help show you how you can have different words show the same kind of feeling or the same kind of action, but how some are stronger than others. So we're going to do a little bit more with that today, and you're going to do it with me. So I have a few slides here that we're going to go through, and when you know how to look at words and know that words have different meanings and different strengths, okay, you are able to tell the difference between their shades. So they are very similar, but just like a blue that is a dark blue or a light blue or bright blue, we have words that work like that as well. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be talking about shades of meaning. We're going to be doing some examples, and today we're going to be focusing on feelings. So, to help us do this, we have to kind of backtrack a little bit. Adjectives is something that we learned before we went into remote learning, and adjectives are words that describe. In science, we called them properties of matter. And I think even in remote learning, we did a little bit of review with adjectives. So, this guy right here, if we come up with some words that describe him, some adjectives, he's blue, he's friendly, he's cute, and he's cool, right? So, people, you and I, use adjectives to describe how we sometimes think or feel about something. So people can describe things differently. We can describe him as cool and friendly, goofy and fun. So just like I said, there are shades of color, there's also shades or strengths of words. Some words that we use show stronger feelings or thoughts or actions than others. So as you see here, this guy right here is in different shades of blue. So we can say good. Right? Good is a weaker word. Great is a stronger word that means pretty much the same thing. Wonderful is an even stronger word, and spectacular is the strongest of all of these words. They all mean something similar. You can describe something as being good, but you also can describe it as being spectacular. Goes from weakest to strongest. We use different shades or strengths of an adjective to show how strongly we feel or think. So, which of these two children uses the stronger adjective? He's cute. He's adorable. So, they're describing this little critter in the middle. Does the boy who says he's cute use a stronger adjective than the girl that says he's adorable? He's adorable is the stronger adjective. She is using a word that means pretty much the same as cute, but it's just stronger. It's like more than cute. Okay? He's more than cute. So we're going to practice together. I have three adjectives down here on the bottom. We're going to put them in order from weakest to strongest. We have brilliant, bright, and smart. So which one of these do you think would be our weakest of these three words, which all pretty much mean the same thing? Yes, I agree. Smart. So then which one would be a little bit stronger than smart, bright, or brilliant? I agree with you as well. Bright would be in the middle, a little bit stronger than smart, but not as strong as brilliant. Brilliant would be our strongest word. All right, let's try another one. So we have these three adjectives. We're going to put them in order from weakest to strongest again. We have confused, puzzled, and bewildered. All of these mean the same thing. But which one of them is our weakest? Means they all mean confused one way or another. But which one is the weakest version of confused? Meaning maybe not so much, but just a little bit. Puzzled. So there could have been, you may have thought confused, but puzzled is actually a little bit weaker than confused. Puzzled means you just have to put a little bit more thought into it. So confused would be our next one. It's a little bit more than puzzled. You're having a little bit of trouble figuring something out, but then bewildered is the strongest. Right? It is something that completely confuses you. You can't figure it out. You can't think about how you can work through something or why something is the way that it is. So bewildered is the strongest of these three words. All right. So adjectives describe feelings. You're going to repeat after me. Okay, we're going to start from the top to the bottom, green side. Sad, distraught, upset, furious, scared. Okay, all words that describe feelings. And then over on the other side, we have terrified, energetic, hyper, glad, elated. So even some of these words, they are opposites of each other. Some of these words mean something very similar, right? Scared and terrified, right? I can be scared of something, but terrified is going to be something completely different. Glad and elated. Glad is, yeah, I'm a little happy, but elated means I am beyond happy. So we're going to take a look at some of these words in these next few slides. So I want you to think about which of these two words I'm going to show you is a stronger emotion, upset or furious. Furious is the stronger of the emotion. So then I want you to think about what would make you feel one emotion versus the others. What would make you upset and what would make you furious? So that you can think about how, even though these words are very similar, different situations are going to make you feel different, right? So upset. I can be upset because somebody took the last chocolate milk at lunch, but I might be furious if somebody bumped into me and knocked my favorite lunch all over the floor. I maybe shouldn't be furious about that, but I might be. Okay? It might even be something even more than that. Furious has to be something that has really, really gotten you upset. Our next two emotions are sad and distraught. Both of them mean sad, but which one do you think is the stronger emotion? A lot of times the pictures help us here. Distraught. So, what would make you feel one emotion versus the other? Sad could be recess was canceled for the day, but distraught could be, that you have lost somebody or something that was very important to you. So, different things that happen to you are going to make you feel different shades of an emotion. You're not going to be distraught over the fact that we have to have indoor recess. You're just going to be possibly sad. These are also great words to think about with our characters. Right? So to pay attention to when our characters are feeling a certain feeling, my character is sad or my character is distraught. So energetic and hyper. Which of these is the stronger emotion? Yes, hyper. Energetic just means like I've got a lot of energy, I'm gonna go outside and play, I'm moving around a lot, but hyper is like I can't control that energy. I can't control it. Take a look at another two. We have glad and elated. Okay, so we saw these words before. Which of them do you think is the stronger emotion? I kind of gave you a little hint with the way I said it. Elated. Yeah. So elated is like beyond happy, right? Glad could be, oh, mom packed my favorite snack today. But elated could be, mom, dad, grandma just told me that we're going to Disney World next week. Okay. So two words that mean about the same thing, but one is so much stronger than the other because that's how you feel when something big has happened. Right? Just a couple more. Okay, so this one we have scared and we have terrified. Which of those emotions is the stronger one? He looks a little silly, right? Terrified. I can be scared of I don't know, just scared of a test I have coming up. But I might be terrified of snakes. Scared is weaker, terrified is stronger. All right, excellent. So we're actually going to stop there for today. We have here is another set of adjectives. These are adjectives that describe appearances, and they also have shades of meaning. Right? So you can have, something that is large. You can have something that's humongous. something that is small or tiny, pretty, gorgeous, right? So you have words that pretty much mean the same thing, but we have weaker and stronger. So I have a little link next to this video that I want for you to click on, and I'm going to ask for you to complete that to practice your shades of meaning. All right, guys, great job, and happy Friday.